Alrighty, welcome to the Arctic Mammoth, where you guys have to at least 36 to 40 minutes to drive the truck. If by any chance you guys have any gear or anything like that, issues, heart issues, or anything like that, I highly suggest this is not the ride for you. Please, 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 please.
I want to go backward.
You want to go back?
No.
I want forward, please. Forward.
I want to go backward.
Hold on tightly to the handles. The ride is fast, dangerous, and calm.
Alright.
Oh, I lied. I don't want to go backward.
Oh boy. So let's go. Woo.
Okay,
Good.
It's way faster. Oh no,
Oh boy. Oh my God.
Alright, how about we first towards the stairs?
That's the Arctic Mammoth. Lastly, Pirate's Revenge.